Hey guys, this is Hemant Kumar and in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to implement ads in Unity. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've made a small UI where I've added 3 buttons: show banner, show interstitial and show rewarded. And if I press them, nothing happens. So let's program them. And before that, we have to go to enhance.co. The link is in the description and this is the tool we are going to use to implement ads in Unity. I have recently made a game using Enhance and Unity and you can download it from the link in the description. Its name is Freaky Ride. So after logging in, you have to click on Enhance My App. Then click on the types of ad you want to implement. Here I am selecting interstitial ads, rewarded ad and banner ads. Then select Unity. Now click on Download, Drag and Drop Library. So let's double click on it. And this will import a package. Hit import. And now let's make an empty and attach a script to it. I am naming it enhance_script. Let's open it in Visual Studio. Here I am making a singleton. We don't need these. So let's make some functions. First we will create public void show banner ad to show banner ads. To check if the banner ad is loaded, we use enhance.isBannerAdReady. Then if it is ready, we want to show it using enhance.showBannerAd@width_position. Now you can add the position using enhance.position dot and you can choose bottom. Now make another function called show interstitial. Similarly, we want to check if it is ready. Enhance.isInterstitial ready. Then enhance.showInterstitial. Sorry. Now to show rewarded ad, make show rewarded function. Check if it is ready. And then show rewarded ad. As you can see, there is an error. This is because we have to pass 3 functions in it. The first one will be called when the reward is granted. Now here you have to give the reward to the player. I am simply writing a debug.log statement. And this function will take 2 arguments. The first one will be enhance.reward type and the other will be int. Now let's make another function. This function will be called when the reward is declined. Let's copy this statement. Now the third function will be called when the reward is unavailable. Now pass them in here. Now select the button. Now assign the functions to the buttons. And we are ready to play. So as you can see, nothing will happen when I click on these buttons. The only thing you would see is a console statement saying displaying banner ad. This is because this will only work on a phone. So let's build the APK. Let me switch the platform. So now our project is built. Now we have to go to enhance.co and select the file to upload. Now you can select your APK. This will take some time. Hit continue. So here you can select a mediation platform. Now put applovin SDK key, interstitial ad unit, banner ad unit and banner ad size. So as you can see, Enhance has made it very easy. If we had to do it manually, this will be very difficult. And if you are using AdMob mediation, you have to paste this statement to your script. Now we have to rebuild the project and upload it again. And when you are done, click continue. For your final build, you have to select sign with certificate. I am selecting sign for testing only. Now let's click enhance now. Now you can download your app and upload to Google Play Store. I cannot show live ads, but I can show you dummy ads. Now to show dummy ads, you have to install the APK before uploading it to Enhance. Now as you can see, the dummy ads are loading. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel.